Aid and abet means to assist someone in committing, or to encourage someone to commit a crime. Generally, an aider and abetter is criminally liable to the same extent as the person committing the crime. This case from California explains that a person aids and abets the commission of a crime when he or she, acting with knowledge of the unlawful purpose of the perpetrator, and the intent or purpose of committing, encouraging, or facilitating the commission of the offense, by act or advice aids, promotes, encourages, or instigates the commission of the crime.